As one of the biggest polyolefin producers in the world, Borealis creates a large amount of plastic, which helps to make our daily lives easier.
During any manufacturing process, waste is an inevitable outcome.
While putting efforts in minimizing the waste creation with our circular mindset, we believe that all plastic waste should be reused.
With our recycling plants like EcoPlus and MTM, our waste can be upcycled to high-quality post-industrial recyclates.
With this product portfolio, customers can make perfect new products like ink bottles, wine racks, and home and garden applications. So, what benefits can you get from our post-industrial recyclate offerings?
Do you have an ambitious sustainability goal to fulfill?
Then our product portfolios can support you with this demand.
Moreover, product data sheets and product safety information sheets are available for post-industrial recyclates on our corporate website that can save you time for initial testing.
In an effort of a continuous improvement, we have undertaken a life cycle assessment of various crates at MTM and EcoPlus
to understand the environmental impacts of our products.
Borealis is expanding its recycling capabilities and capacity to innovate for a more sustainable world,
which is in line with our EverMinds ambition.
And now you are ready to foster the sustainability trend on the market.